the middle of the day. What am I doing in quiet mode? What's going on, YouTube? Tom here. And today I wanted to make a nice little vlog about the active exhaust on my car. More importantly, why I think if you were in the market for the 2018 Mustang GT, you should honestly consider active exhaust. Because I personally think it is worth every single penny of the $900 that the MSRP is. Now, realistically speaking, I think it would be an amazing option if it were closer to $500. $900 is a little steep, because yes, you could put some pretty decent aftermarket setups. At minimum, you can do a fairly decent set of axle backs and a resonator delete on a car without the active exhaust. But, as you just heard, you have quiet mode available. You don't piss everybody off as soon as you start the car up. Although, let's face it, I never use it. I only use it when starting the car and when leaving in the middle of the night. Other than that, I never use it. I have mine set to 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. so that way, if I do leave for work or whatever the case might be, I don't piss everybody off when I start the car. But, you heard that. That's quiet mode. Not unimpressive, but for, not the best mode. But of course, the better option, you have track mode. Yeah, which one would you rather listen to? And yep, my shirt choice was intentional with this video. So, I personally really love the track mode in this car. I drive it almost exclusively in track mode just because of how good it sounds. People really enjoy hearing it that aren't my neighbors in the middle of the night. But people who've heard my car say it sounds really good. People who are actually fans of Mustangs. I personally really love it because muffler-wise, it's like having a muffler delete already on it. So, I personally really love it because at this point, you can have the functionality of quiet mode combined with that noise of track mode. The fact is, how many other cars can give you that? The only cars that honestly are coming to mind are GM cars, the Corvette and Camaro, and the Shelby Mustang. Realistically speaking, for this price range, that's functionality that you don't see except for on some high-dollar cars. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and give you some clips of all four of the modes revving. So, there you go. That's a comparison of all four of the modes. Like I said, I really love track mode the best. In track mode especially, you get all of those low-end burbles and the cracks and pops. It's that nice deep tone to it. I really love it. And I'm excited to see the aftermarket come up with some better exhaust designs for this car in the aftermarket. I am quite excited for that. So far, MagnaFlow has a system out which is right around $1,500 to $1,600, depending on whether you get a resonated X-pipe or a resonatorless X-pipe, the off-road X-pipe. It still has cats. Or, right now, the other option of who's actually working on it, I don't know if it's out for sale yet, but Borla is working on a design as well. So, I would say, for sure, keep those in mind. You have MagnaFlow and Borla, and honestly, any minute now, people are going to come out with a lot more. So, I see this as an option that should be very, very popular. I see it becoming more popular as the aftermarket catches up. I really love it. I am so happy with it. I think it was worth every penny of $900, which actually came out to a little less because I negotiated the car down. So I don't think it was actually $900, but possibly even I see this option becoming cheaper in the future. So definitely, if you're in the market for the 18 Mustang GT, I think it's worth every penny. So first of all, before I kind of do my normal outro, I want to thank you all for 800 subscribers to my channel. It means a lot to me that my channel has been growing that fast. That here we are at 800. We are well on the road to 1,000. Again, thank you all so much for that. It means a lot. If you are a returning subscriber and you haven't already, please hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me because that means the views would go up on all my videos and you all would get content when it comes out. Because YouTube has even admitted that if you don't click that bell, you don't get notifications. And please, YouTube, please fix your stuff. But in the meantime, I'm asking you as subscribers to go ahead and click on that. Because like I said, that would mean a lot to me if you all could do that. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you all think about this exhaust. Do you think the active exhaust is worth it, or what do you all think about it? If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Once again, help this channel get to 1,000 subscribers. It would mean a lot to me. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.